It's 5 o'clock on a Friday, and you go to look up your company and all it is a bunch of ads. It looks horrible. What do? Do you call people? Do you scream and yell? Do you stomp your feet? Do you send out a nasty memo? What do? Imagine if all you had to do was print that page off, walk into the break room at 5 o'clock on a Friday, pin it up, and write on it, "This is no good," and then leave for the weekend. And imagine if your team was good enough, passionate enough, in the game enough, if they took stock in your company, if they took ownership in your company, that they saw that, agreed with it, and decided they were going to stay for the weekend and make it look outstanding. Well, let me tell you something. That's a world-class A team, and that's what you should have. And by the way, that's a real story. That happened to Google. Now, how do you get that world-class team? Well, come join me February 21st. We're going to put your best year conference on. We're going to teach you personal development, goal setting, and goal attaining. We're going to teach you how to get a world-class team. We're going to teach you communication and sales strategies. We're going to teach you marketing and put you into groups and do some wonderful workshops. You will leave that seminar a new person with a new business. And if you enter the promo code BOGONOW, BOGONOW in caps, you'll get 2 tickets. You'll get buy one, get one free. 2 tickets for $2.99. The price is negligible. This will be the best return on your investment you do all year. All you have to do is go to ybyconference.com and enter that code. Listen, the world rewards action, so I hope to see you there.